Yo, Schmidt Miss taking a different route. It's a boy Lucchese.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Day, what is it, 4 now, Schmidt Miss? I'm losing track already. Me and Josh are actually going right now, and we're gonna be going leaf blowing today. Basically, we're trying to make a little extra cash, buy our girls Christmas presents after. So
yeah, Schmitty, Sarah, me and Emma.
If you guys need your leaf blown, comment down below right now. We'll be pulling up pretty soon, so
let's get it, baby. Let's get the dirt.
You already know where my girl's at, bro. Come on. Look at her.
Uh-oh. Let me just say something. What a...
Oh! Chill. Always on the business calls, guys. You guys know how it goes. Trying to make that money.
Trying to make that money.
We just got 2 houses literally within like not even 5 minutes. The first guy said, yeah, like blow my leaves, and then the guy right after was like, oh yeah, like I'll take you guys also. So we got 2 houses right now. We have to go pick up the blowers, and then we have a long day ahead of us.
Of course. What's the girl's name? What's her name?
I don't even know. She's not sounding the best right now, guys.
It's always weird. Like, look, it sounds like aliens are like tuning in.
Ah! Oh!
There it is. Wait. There we go. One more time. Hey, we got it, Jay.
The weather's cold, the weather's so I'm sipping bro. Yeah, the neck is from methazine. Yeah, the stepping stone. Oh, they acting up. Get your weapons gone.
Alright, we're picking up the leaf blower right now. Look at these kids riding.
Is that Tevin?
I have no idea. Gang, gang. Alright, boys. Yes! It's time to go. Let's blow. Load her up.
We got 2 leaf blowers.
Maybe I'll do a nice leaf blower time lapse of us blowing leaves. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make blowing leaves interesting for you guys today.
It's actually kind of smart.
Alright, guys. First job went alright. We forgot to film it. Anything? They want it or no?
Nah, they don't.
Alright, it's all good though. We're headed over to another job right now. Get that bread up. Let's go! A little windy today.
Let's go!
We're killing it. Continue. Alright, me and Josh just finished up. What is this thing? You're ugly, bro. Caution, pig zone. You wanna kiss it, bro? Alright, I don't think pigs like leaf blowers. Yeah, on that note, guys, we're out.
2 hours, $70.
Good stuff today, baby. Yeah, how much we make today? Oh! That's what I like to see. So we're about to eat up real quick, probably stop at my house, maybe grab a bite to eat, and then we're going shopping for our girls. I don't know how much I can film because I don't want them to see what like we're getting, but we'll make it happen.
We'll mess around.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Guys, if you could smell this right now.
Clearing out the car. Hear me out. We're driving home. I'm like, yo, you smell gas? He's like, yeah, I kind of do. Next thing.
No. It like filled our lungs.
Consumed the car,
Bro.
And it turns out we left the gas can in my trunk, and it spilt all over everything.
If you could smell the gasoline, it is so strong.
Yo, I felt like I was gonna pass out.
The liquid of the gasoline's on this.
The blanket is literally drenched.
Schmidt's Smock, rest in peace, ShopRite. If you can see the two shades, this right here is darker with gasoline.
I say we drop a match, call it a day. Bro.
Wait, Schmidt has to go to school.
Nah, real talk, guys. Good thing the semester's almost over, though.
It's a fact. I mean, you got finals, but
yeah, it's whatever. All right, bro. I mean, I guess let's continue. Everything's covered in gas. Send help, guys. I don't know what to do with this stuff, though. Literally, it's drenched. All right, guys, we're not trying to like die with these fumes, so.
No, like you guys don't understand how bad it is in here. All right, go, Jay. Please drive safe.
Yo, vlog this. All right, guys, you have to drive. You have to drive.
I'm trying to breathe. Jay, I'm scared.
What? Yo, literally shut the door and hang out the window like a normal person. Let me know if you're fine. Yo, this is bad, guys.
Yo, you have no idea. Stop. Can you please?
Just shut your door.
Hold on. Guys, you have no idea how. You gotta see this right now.
Yo, I'm just trying to breathe.
No, I feel like the vlog doesn't understand how bad it is, though.
Yo, guys, I'm telling you right now.
Slow down.
My house is right here, though. Check it out.
Hey.
Mom, I'm home.
Wait, shit, this is a perfect video, bro. Slow down. Wait, make this turn, bro.
We're pulling it.
Make this turn.
You good?
Yeah. Oh. Schmidt. Slow down, please.
Yo, we almost died.
So gross. Dude. Yo, you guys do not understand.
Yo, you guys don't get it. It was that bad.
Come here.
I almost crashed though up there.
All right, first of all, so we all know it's spilt, right? Look at the water difference.
Yeah, this is all
This is
just
open,
gas.
so this is literally straight fumes. If you would have lighted a cigarette or something, right? Isn't that what happens?
Yeah, if you were to light anything, my car would be gone.
No,
but-
Schmidt, I really think you gotta get like this clean, dude.
Yeah, dude, it reeks. Yeah, yo, we just got here. Better go shop till we drop. Christmas season, a lot of shopping on the way.
Yo, Sarah, Emma, hello!
Here we go, we're getting you presents! We worked for you guys today, honestly. Oh, it's cold. Oh, my phone, bro. Oh.
Oh, Jay, what happened, sweetheart?
Nah, it's fine. It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Schmidt
Yo,
might
guys.
be getting Sarah this.
If Sarah's gonna start being in my videos, she's gotta be rocking some clickbait. That's just
Oh
how
my
it goes.
God. What about this, Jay? You think Sarah like
Is that enough clickbait? Clickbait or what? Like, bro, I thought we were shopping for our girls.
Are you getting it?
Oh.
How's the lighting? Do you even lift, bro?
Yeah, we just abandoned our girls again. Might be shoe shopping. Don't tell them though. Don't tell them. I can't film us like shopping for our girls though. So.
So it's the fact, but like, hold on. Peep this. Oh wait, no, don't show them what you got, Sarah.
Real talk though, we might cop some shoes. It's too hard, bro. It's hard to resist. Alright guys, so I just got home. Sarah is here now. We're just chilling. We're about to watch The Office. I don't know if you guys have ever seen The Office before, but it's honestly like, I would say it's our go-to show. Every time we chill, it's just The Office, Office and chill. I think that's a new thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today. I guess that's gonna wrap it up. We don't really have anything else. It's kind of just chill. edit. I have school tomorrow, which I'm bringing you guys along with. We're back on that daily grind, so you already know you're coming to school with me. So yeah, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video with the Musical.lys. We killed that. We really did.
It was fun.
Today's post notification shout out goes to, who's it going to tonight?
Emily Osty.
Emily Osty.
Right?
Yeah, I think you did. Thank you for having post notifications turned on. If you guys want post notifications, you guys already know, bell icon, subscribe button, combine the two, and you can be shouted out in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Peace. What was that?